something great in my life. Kasi ang dami nangyari. Yan, maraming kabanata. Pero yun, so, this year, yun, I fulfilled my dream. It was God who brought me to a place where I can have my dream. Tapos, yun, gumraduate ako, not just ordinary, but I graduated cum laude. And yun, God, it was God who turned my ordinary life into something extraordinary. Yun, I'm not just a student, I also worked when I was studying, but I also serve God, and I really saw that it is possible. So, ayun, and my life became, which was ordinary, became extraordinary because of my extraordinary God. Yun, I am extraordinary and I am destined.
Good evening sa inyo lahat. I'm happy and I'm a single mom. I have 2 kids. My kids and I were a victim of the Ondoy. Sa Provident kami nakatira. Sa bubong kami natulog nung gabi na yon. But on that night, God talked to me and dealt with me. Sabi niya sa akin, it's about time that you go back to me because I have been a Christian for more than 20 years na. Pero patuloy na maraming problema. My husband left us for another woman. And after that, parang hindi ko makaya yung mga sitwasyon sa buhay ko because I was on my own sa mga anak ko. And then, nagkaroon ako ng boss na taga-Destiny, si Ma'am Jane. And talagang kinukulit niya akong umattend, pero iwas ako ng iwas. But on that day, on that night, nung nasa bubong na kami natulog, God dealt with me and sabi niya, it's about time that you go back to me. Tapos, pinagbigyan ko yung si Ma'am Jane. And then, nag-encounter ako. And then, on that night also, sabi niya, He will bless me more than I can handle it. Right after that encounter, na-promote ako as a supervisor. And that's what I really needed kasi yung finances ko, hindi ako magiging supervisor, talagang gipit na gipit ako. And I'm so thankful to God that He is so faithful in spite of my unfaithfulness to Him. And I am, not only that, I am very happy because my kids are now, my daughter, and I know my son will also have this encounter in the future. My daughter and I encountered last month, and I believe that He has a plan for us, and it is our destiny to be in Destiny Church.
Amen. There's a lot more people who would really like to testify. Of course, we don't have the whole night, but right now, can we just really, each one of us, I believe meron pa din ginawa ang Panginoon sa mga buhay natin. And maybe some of you are here, and maybe this is your first time with us here at this. And this is what happened in church. Church is fun. Church is exciting. Hindi yung buhay ng Panginoon. That's why we have these lights, we have this dancing. We're dancing because we are so happy. We are just so thankful about what Jesus is doing in our lives. God is alive. God is alive. And right now, this is